Who wanted a boat? I wanted a boat. Who got a boat? I got a boat. And there she is. Haha. Carlson. She's the ultimate concept. And 32-foot catamaran. Yep. Alright, come on. Okay, so here we go. Gonna start working on the boat. Got a lot of stuff to do. Alright, let's go see the boat. Took a while to get it here. The engines had to be rebuilt. Had to work out logistics. And just when we thought everything was done, the prop got damaged, so that delayed it. Okay, so here she is. Right now, she's just a big hot mess. They're gonna be working on it, though. You see the condition? Well, let's go. Come around here. Gonna have to do some stripping down and painting. Clean up first, I guess. Okay, almost busted my butt. Glad I didn't show that. Ready, it's rough. I think I'm gonna start ripping all this stuff out. I'm scrubbing it down because there's a mildewy smell. The battery's running the anchor light with a solar panel up top. But look at the floor. I'm gonna have to rip all that out. It's pretty bad. Hardly breathing here right now. Look at what I gotta deal with. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna rip all this out. I'm gonna get rid of both these. But they're falling apart anyway, so yeah, it's pretty bad shape. Okay, look at this. Oh, it's water in the bilge. I gotta see what's going on with that. Yep. It actually looks like stuff just started falling down. Just tired of cooperating. I gotta rip all this out. Let's see the master. All that mildew I gotta get rid of. I gotta replace all this wood. It's gonna be a big thing. I'm trying to air it out as much as possible. I have the windows. Look at all this I gotta clean. And here's the head. Yep. It's gonna be a mess. But just gotta get started. Things first. I noticed there's a lot of water in the bilge. On both sides. So I'm gonna try to test the battery. See why the pump's not working. One was replaced, one wasn't. There it is right there. Let me see about that. So while moving the boat, at one point, the last day that we had to leave it before we got the second engine fixed, they put this on there. I'm trying to take off, make it so bright. I'm just soaking it down in soapy water and trying to just peel it off. It's kind of working, but I guess it's going to take a while. Alright, so far, I got the top done. And I got that sticker off. Pain in the butt. Then I'm going to start here now. So, how far did I get day one? Just have to show you. So I finished all of the top. That looks And then I started on this side to get the first part done. I have to rip that panel of cushion out. Got a lot more to go, but I also have to unlatch it. Got that sticker off, so that's good. Day 2. Let's get to work. Looky what I found. Someone was living the boat life. What's this wire? Is that a wire? Yep. Sure it's no good though. What the heck is it? I'll try to be careful. Oh, it's to the speaker. Definitely ain't gonna need that. I should take those back ones off first before I finish pulling that down. Cleaning up a little after day 2 because all of this falling from the ceiling is building up. I know when I scrape it off, it's going to be worse, but it's kind of slippery. It's that foam insulation that broke down. So I'm trying to get as much out of the way as possible before I work on it again.